Hi guys, welcome to Tasting Season. Today we'll be making chicken noodle soup. This soup is super easy to make and super delicious. It's perfect for those cold winter days. To make this soup, you only need a handful of ingredients. That's the best part about it. It's so simple to make and it tastes so good. So over here in this bowl, I have onions, carrots, and celery. I've chopped them all. I have some garlic, it's been crushed. Some pasta, this is about 1 cup. Herbs, over here I have parsley, oregano, and thyme, and 1 bay leaf. Here I have chicken. This is 2 chicken breasts, and they've been cooked already, and I've shredded it. I've kept mine on the larger end. It's up to you how small or how large you want to shred it. And I also have some chicken broth over here. The first thing you want to do is heat up olive oil over medium heat in a large pot. Now that the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add in the onions, carrots, and celery into the pot. Saute the vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes. You just want to soften the vegetables up a little bit. Now that the vegetables have cooked down a little bit, we're going to add in the garlic. And give that a stir. The garlic has cooked for about 1 to 2 minutes. We can add in our chicken broth and also our herbs. Give the mixture a stir, then add in the shredded chicken. Now that the chicken has been added to the soup, allow the soup to come to a boil. I'm going to leave mine over medium heat just because it is cast iron. If the soup has come to a boil, I'm going to add in the pasta. Give it a stir. Since my pasta is very small, it shouldn't take that long. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes for the pasta to cook. If you notice that the pasta has absorbed a lot of the soup, then you can add in a little bit more hot water just to make it the consistency that you'd like it to be. I've placed the lid back on the pot and I'm just going to wait for the pasta to cook and then we can serve it right up. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.